So you have just finished watching the Galaxy 22 unpack and stuff like that, and you're not really that satisfied of the Galaxy S22, and you have a Galaxy S21, and you plan to hold this phone for a little longer, you know, to see if Samsung will make a better phone. So let's say Galaxy S23 or 24, you know, or you just, you know, just want your phone to last longer. I have a tips and trick for you today to share to you all. So if you would like to prolong the lifetime of your Galaxy S21, please stay tuned. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in Protecstation. It's great to see you all. So you want to prolong the life of your Galaxy S21 as long as possible. So the first thing you need to do is, you want to preserve the battery, okay? So today, I'm going to share you a tips and trick of how to prolong the battery life of your Galaxy S21. Prolong the life meaning not giving you a long day battery life. It's prolong the life of the battery, not the day usage. Okay, so Samsung has released some updates for its Galaxy S21. If you haven't update, if you updated it, there is this feature that you can actually charge your phone up to 85% and not charge your phone to 100%. So you might say, well, I mean, why would I want to charge my phone up to 85%, not 100%? Well, the thing is about lithium-ion batteries. If you keep on charging your phone up to 100%, like every day or, many times per day, there is a lifespan of these lithium-ion batteries. So the best thing to do, to charge these phones so you can prolong the life of the battery is to charge it up to let's say 85%. Same with electric car. If you have a Tesla or some kind of electric car, the manufacturer recommends you only charge it up to, let's say, 80% or 85%. So that way it will prolong the longevity of the lithium-ion battery. And I was always curious, is there an app for that? Because I really cautious of, charging my phone, and I don't want to, max out the lifespan of the battery because, these stupid phones, it's really hard to, change your own batteries. So mostly if you need to change your battery, I might as well just go change a new phone, because the battery costs pretty expensive, and the labor, for people to charge you, like in the malls or something like that. So anyways, I am going to show you how to enable that so you can increase the longevity of your lithium-ion battery for your Galaxy S21. Oh, by the way, if you like the video so far, can you do me one favor? Can you help me smash that like button? It really does support the channel big time, and it doesn't cost you anything. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is scroll down the notification and then press the setting button, and then scroll down to battery and device care right here. And then under battery device care, scroll all the way down to battery right here. And then under battery, scroll all the way down, and then you see more battery settings right here. Press right here. And then scroll all the way down, and then you see protect battery. To extend the lifespan of your battery limit, the maximum charge to 85%. Enable that, and that's it, you're done. So there you have it. Hope you liked today's video, and if you liked the video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. That way, when I have new videos, you'll be notified. You may also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. You just saw the Galaxy S22 unpack, and you're not really keen about... So you just saw the Galaxy S21 unpack, and you have a Galaxy S21, and you're thinking, you're not... You just finished watching the Galaxy